Hello everyone, it's just Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Amazon Basics wet mopping cloths and the Swiffer wet mopping cloths. Now both of these are interchangeable. Here I have the Swiffer Deluxe mopping kit, and here I have the Amazon Basics. Now again, both I could put the Swiffer pads on the Amazon Basics and vice versa, but I'm going to be putting them on their respective kits. So here we got some muddy paw prints. We're going to see how each one cleans them up. Okay, let's start with the Swiffer. All right, now its scrubber is on the end. So if I want to do some scrubbing, I can put it on a 90-degree angle and really scrub really hard because that blue scrubby action's right there. Now they both pivot real well. And I think they both do a good job of capturing most of the dirt and mud. That was a pretty big mess. All right, now let's try the Amazon Basics. Its scrubber action's in the middle. Both of them glide real easy, go back and forth. Yeah, I think they both did a good job of capturing the mud. Now let's look at it up close. Looks like the Swiffer might have captured a little bit more mud and kind of, you get like a little sudsy action. Amazon Basics, yeah, it did a good job too. Seems like there's a little bit more soap and a little bit more scent in the Swiffer. Taking these off is very simple. Both of them you just pull up. Now there is a little bit of a difference between the two cleaning handles. We can see this one. Let's take a look. Let's get a new. They're both really wet. I think the Swiffer ones, they both come in a sealed container. Now this one, you cannot, it doesn't have like a little zipper to keep it closed. So over here, there's what the Amazon Basics looks like. Yeah, it is. It'll drip if you hold it right. Let's take a look. The Swiffer one, this one, it does come in you can get it in the kit like that. This one really has a lot of liquid. Yeah. Smells really good. The ears on the Swiffer, the only thing is the ears are a little harder to get off, harder to find. But pull the ears back. Again, I could put this pad on the Amazon Basics, but I do find putting the pads on, the Swiffer Deluxe, this is softer. It's just a little easier to put it in. Over here on the Amazon Basics, just a little harder. Yeah, those are just real hard. You got to kind of get some gather ups and stuff and put it in, but they don't need to be in super tight anyway. So I really do like the scent of the Swiffer, and I do think it cleans and kind of captures a little bit more mud with a little bit of sudsy action. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.